आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the question asks, if the length of the rectangle is increased by 40% and the width of the same rectangle is decreased by 40%, then the area of the rectangle is decreased by x%. What is the value of x? Okay, so in these kind of questions we actually take the ratio. We actually take the ratio of the former condition to the latter condition to get the exact value of x, or to get the exact value of the desired change. Okay, so moving on to the solution, we are starting the solution, pardon me, starting the solution with assuming the length and breadth to be L and B. Okay, so let L and B be the length and breadth of the rectangle. Cool. Now according to if I'm taking these dimensions, the area of rectangle would be L into B. Now, so yeah, and actually the length of the rectangle is increased by 40% and the width of the same rectangle is decreased by 40%, then the area of rectangle is decreased by x percentage. Okay, so the actual area was decreased by x percentages, so I wrote the area of rectangle would be L into B. Now after the change, the length has got an increment by 40%, so L plus L into 40 by 100. The breadth has got a decrement by 40% to B minus B to 40 by 100, and the area has got a decrement by x percentages. Okay, so x percentage, so I assumed the area to be, these are the dimensions and this is the area. So let's say I assumed it to be A. Okay, so A minus x percentage of A. Okay, so this was my first equation, this was my second equation. Okay, there was one assumption or two, that area of rectangle is A. Okay, now what I'll do is 2 5, so this will be 7L by 5 into 5, 3B by 5 equals to 100A minus XA by 100. Okay, so actually this is my second equation, or let's say it is my third equation. Okay, we now just have to divide 1 by 3, so LB by 7L into 3B into 25 equals to LB equals to area into 100 by 100A minus XA. Okay, so LB, okay, so I am just left with 25 into 100A minus 25 XA equals to 2100A. Cool, so it is 2500A minus 25XA equals to 2100A. So 25xa equals to 400 a gets cancelled out, so x equals to, that is 16.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।